In this video you will learn how Redis functions let you store and call named server-side logic, and what mistakes to catch when reviewing a pull request that uses them. Redis functions let you push named Lua logic into the server once, then call it by name from any client. Unlike one-off EVAL scripts, functions live in version libraries, survive restarts and replicate to replicas. The library is loaded just once. Every subsequent FCALL jumps straight to execution. Steps 3 and 4 are atomic. Redis blocks all other commands while your Lua function runs, guaranteeing a consistent view of data. We load a library called mylib containing one function, myfunc, that runs incrby atomically. Then we call it twice, inspect all libraries with function list, check runtime stats, dump for backup, and finally delete the library. When reviewing a pull request, check that the library is loaded once at startup, not on every request. Flag any Lua that hardcodes key names instead of using the keys argument, and confirm replace is set for update safety. Remember, load once, call many. Pass keys explicitly, rely on atomic execution for safe multi-step logic, and always prefer named functions over ad hoc eval in any production code base.